You got a bad tattoo, you want to get rid of it fast. There's a company that claims they can do it faster than anyone else, but does it work? Our own Haley Francis went out to find out. So tattoo removal, let's talk about this a little bit. It promises, or we have some tattoo removal that promises to be quicker than the old method, even getting rid of your tat with one visit. That sounds too good to be true. Well, we want you to be the judge. There is a tattoo removal place here in the Valley that says they're doing just that.
Yeah, Haley Francis is here with how it works.
Hi guys. Somebody asked me in the newsroom the other day, Haley, what are you going to try on next? What are you going to do next? I'm not getting a tattoo removed, I'll tell you that much. Okay, but this new method, it's really a twist on the older method, and a local laser and tattoo removal business called Delete in Phoenix is where they're doing it. They recently did a clinical trial on 30 patients, and the patients were brought in to get not just one laser treatment, but 4 at one time. That's kind of how they're doing it. So typically tattoo removal requires one laser visit about once a month, and you go for maybe a year, year and a half. A black tattoo could be about a year to remove. So this really speeds up the process. So I want to give you a look here. These are some before and afters. This is Felicia, who is a clinical trials patient. This is another patient. And participants in the study expect to see a 67% of their professional tattoos gone after just one visit, and 86% of their amateur tattoos. Today I talked to Felicia. She was there for a 4-in-1 treatment about 6 weeks ago. You can see the difference there is really noticeable. It doesn't all go away at once. It happens over 6 to 10 weeks. And the folks at Delete say this procedure cuts the removal process down to a fraction of the time.
What we've seen are really good results so far in our clinical study. Now we're confirming that this is a good way to do this by our clinical study, but we're seeing, you know, 60+% gone after this first treatment. Even more on amateur tattoos, 85, 86% on amateur tattoos, just after this one treatment day. So we'll have a little bit of cleaning up to do afterwards, but instead of it taking a year or a year and a half, if we can cut it down to 6 or 9 months for you, huge difference. You can get on with your life faster.
4-in-1 is fading a lot faster, but it's because it's just black ink. It's really good, actually, really good results. It's fading a lot faster than I thought. I thought, honestly, it would not make a difference how many times I did it in one day compared to coming back every so weeks. But it does make a difference.
Now, she was a good person to talk to because Felicia's also getting another tattoo removed. She's doing the normal tattoo removal process for that one, and then for this one, she did the 4-in-1. She said that it felt a little bit more tender after she did it. I mean, it's like when you get your teeth whitened. If you do the really intense strips, it's going to hurt a little bit more, right? So let's talk about price, because I'm sure you're wondering. For a 2-inch tattoo, removal is about $75 for a session. You might have to go for a year and a half or 2 years. For the 4-in-1 treatment, it's $899. So obviously a cost difference, but it's really about time. For some people, you know, by the time you make the decision to go in and get your tattoo removed, you're like, I want this done, right? Now.
So is it going to work better, though, on something smaller, probably?
You know, I talked to them about that. It really depends. It depends on how deeply they put the ink in, how much ink they use. So really, anywhere you go, it could be different.
You know, Mark Curtis just walked in. Mark and I both have some prison tats.
Yeah, gotta get no teardrops.
Yeah, I don't know exactly. I don't know if that'll work on me and Mark, because we were just bruisers back in the day.
Right.
Yes.
Right. I'm sure he could comment on that.
All right. So we asked you guys to post your tattoo regrets on our Facebook page. Well, we got only one. Henry posted this on our page. It looks like lips and wings there, and obviously the name Angelique.
Yeah, that says it all right there. I guess he wants Angelique gone.
Yeah, he said it, don't put names on your body. That was his advice.